GPT-4, king of AI, but not alone. Discover the new hack to 10x productivity. GPT-4 is the king of AI world. But it's not the only tool you need. Here's the new hack to 10x productivity. Introducing Text Blaze / at text_blaze. Easy to use customizable templates. Quick start. 1. Install Chrome extension. 2. Log into dashboard. 3. Create a snippet. 4. Use snippets on web pages. 5. Share snippets. Get free 1-month trial for Pro. http://blaze.today/?ref=UKG464HL. Key features. 1. Smart fields. Text Blaze fills in personalized information such as your name, email address, and date automatically. No more manual data entry required. 2. Dynamic content. Create templates that generate content based on user input using Text Blaze. 3. Snippet sharing. Collaborate on web documents and templates easily by sharing your Text Blaze snippets with others. 4. Multi-language support. Text Blaze supports multiple languages. This allows users to create and expand text snippets in their preferred language. 5. Customizable settings. Set your own snippet trigger. Adjust text format for expanded text. 6. Gallery of snippets. One standout feature of Text Blaze is its library of pre-made snippets. This library contains a vast collection of snippets, already prepared and organized into various categories. 7. Generative AI. Text Blaze's auto-write generates templates based on prompts. Watch the video below to see how it works. (8) ChatGPT, but anywhere. Create dynamic GPT prompts for any situation. Tailor the prompt easily using data from any source, placeholders, automatic text, and rules. Benefits of using Text Blaze. Up to 4,000 snippets. Up to 50,000 characters in a snippet. Unlimited snippet sharing. Full form support. Images in snippets. Managed multi-user billing. And many more. Get 1-month Pro for free. http://blaze.today/?ref=UKG464HL